First, I'm going to find rise over run, and in the word problem it says 20 feet climb for every 40 feet. Climb over horizon is rise over run, or rise over run is M. So 20 feet to climb over 40 feet horizontal equals 1/2 or M. Therefore, your slope, or M, is 1/2. Now I'm going to find the y-intercept. I go to where it would touch the y-intercept, find that point, so that means B equals 0. I want to get as much info from the graph as I can. This point is also coordinates, or a point on the graph. That gives me my x1 and y1, which I will use later. Now I'll write them down as 0, 0. Now I'm going to write an equation in point-slope form. Point-slope form is y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. That means I have a point and a slope that I am given. From the graph, I found that x1 and y1 was 0, 0. I could use other points, but for this case, I'm going to use an easy point. I also found that m was 1/2. Now I'm going to plug in the values that I found from the graph into the equation of point-slope form. M, or 1/2 for m, 0, which is x1, where x1 is, 0, which is y1, for what y1 is. And now I simply rewrite the entire formula of point-slope form. Y minus 0, which is y1, equals 1/2, which is m, times x minus 0, which I knew was x1 from the graph. That is my answer in point-slope form. My next task for B is to use slope-intercept form. That means I have the slope and the y-intercept. Y equals mx plus b is slope-intercept form. I found from the graph that m, or slope, was 1/2, and b, or the y-intercept, was 0. Now I'm simply going to plug in the values that I found into the equation of slope-intercept form. Y equals 1/2 x plus 0, but we would write it as y equals 1/2 x. And that is my answer for slope-intercept form. Now I want to find the standard form, which is ax plus by equals c. C is my constant. I use y minus 0 equals 1/2 x minus 0, which is my point-slope form, or again, this is my point-slope form that I just found from the graph of the jet trajectory, using the values I found from the... I also have slope-intercept form, which is y equals 1/2 x. I want to write either one of these forms that I have in the standard form. I need the ax and the by on the same side away from the c, or the constant. So I will do the inverse operation, subtract 1/2 x. What I do from one side I do to the other, and I'll simply move it to the other side where y is. Now I rewrite negative 1/2 x plus y equals 0 because I have nothing left. This is how I change the slope-intercept form into standard form. Good luck.